Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet tea and grow your garden. First, gather your tea bags, sugar, and water for the perfect brew. Then, consider your garden's location and soil needs. We'll cover both processes step by step, ensuring you have all the information to enjoy a refreshing drink and a thriving harvest. Let's get started on these delightful projects. Making delicious sweet tea is simple. Start by boiling water, then remove it from the heat and add 4 family-sized tea bags for a gallon batch. Let them steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, but avoid squeezing the bags to prevent bitterness. While the tea is still hot, stir in 1 to 2 cups of sugar until it fully dissolves. Finally, add cold water to fill your pitcher and chill it well before serving over ice. For a thriving garden, location is key. Pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Next, test your soil's pH. Most plants prefer a range of 0 to 7. Choose plants that are well suited to your local climate and the amount of light your garden receives. When planting, always follow the spacing guidelines on seed packets or plant tags to give everything room to grow. Consistent care helps your garden flourish. Aim to water deeply, providing about 1 inch of water per week, adjusting for rainfall and soil type. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 4 weeks, especially fruiting vegetables, to replenish nutrients. Keep weeds at bay by removing them regularly, as they compete for water and nutrients. Finally, harvest your fruits and vegetables when they reach their peak ripeness for the best flavor and to encourage more production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.